the present continuous progressive tense. This tense describes an action in progress, or the continuity of an action in the present time. In this, the present participle, V4 form of the verb plus ing form is used. I am playing, you are playing, he is playing. Spelling rules while adding ing to the first form of a verb. If the verb ends with e, the final e is dropped before adding ing. Come plus ing equals coming. Take plus ing equals taking. Write plus ing equals writing. Move plus ing equals moving. Exceptions. Die plus ing equals dying. Synge plus ing equals singing. See plus ing equals seeing. When the verb contains one syllable and it ends in a consonant preceded by a vowel, consonant is doubled before adding ing. Run plus ing equals running. Cut plus ing equals cutting. Sit plus ing equals sitting. Drop plus ing equals dropping. Exceptions. Verbs ending with u, w, y, and x. The above rule is not followed. Grow plus ing equals growing. Draw plus ing equals drawing. Fix plus ing equals fixing. Say plus ing equals saying. If the verb ends with I, the final I is replaced by I before adding ing. Lie plus ing equals lying. Die plus ing equals dying. Tie plus ing equals tying. If the verb ends with I, preceded by a vowel, I is doubled before adding ing. Travel plus ing equals travelling. Quarrel plus ing equals quarrelling.